my name is Reagan, and today we are going to be discovering the blue light glasses and how they work. So, some people don't have these, but if you want to buy them, you could go online and find them. So, this is a blue light. So, like, if you put it on this paper, put it on this paper, it turns blue. So you take these glasses. These are some special glasses that when you look at the computer, like they darken. So that's something kind of like sunglasses, but not sunglasses. So what you do is you just take the blue light and you shine it right through the glasses, and it should be purple. Like it should be like this light purple. So the purpose of these is they don't get you headaches and tired. I use them and they never get me headaches and I never get tired.
Would you recommend this product?
Yeah.
Put them on.